Activating notifications on your ABN AMRO account can help you stay updated on your transactions and account activities. Follow these steps to enable notifications. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the ABN AMRO Apple website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once loaded in, look for the Settings or Preferences section in your account dashboard. This is typically found in the menu or profile area. Step 3. Select Notifications. In the Settings menu, find the Notifications option. Click on it to view the available notification settings for your account. Step 4. Choose Notification Preferences. Review the types of notifications you can receive, such as transaction alerts, balance updates, or security notifications. Select the ones you wish to activate. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferred notifications, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that notifications have been successfully activated. By following these steps, you can easily set up notifications on your ABN AMRO account to keep track of important updates.